Have you ever had your bike stored in these cheap plastic boxes or sheds that aren't weather resistant and your chains get all rusty and your investment goes down the drain? For all the biking and sports enthusiasts, I'd like to introduce a bike storage locker that's capable of storing 3 full-size adult bikes, comes in 2 different colors and 2 different models. Have you ever had a bike stolen in the city before? Look no further, we have the perfect unit for you, the Trimetals bike storage unit. PVC coated and made of galvanized steel, this attractive unit will last a lifetime. Let's get right into some of the key features. The bike storage unit is a very secure unit with a 4-point locking system, 2 on the front and 2 on the side. Kryptonite locks are recommended for maximum security, though any locks of your choice can be used. With the spring-assisted door action, it's easy to open for any member of your family or any of your kids that are trying to get their bikes out or their children's toys. It does feature a ramp model as well. Any of your lawnmowers, snowblowers, electric bikes, anything that's a little bit heavier can easily roll in or roll out. If you do not need the ramp, you can opt out for the model that just has a solid panel in the front. These units are very, very well made. They're 100% weather resistant. Your bicycles or valuables can be stored in here all winter long in any kind of inclement weather. You never need to worry. Additionally, for added security, these units do bolt down to a solid base so no one can move them, and it also does come with the galvanized steel flooring as well. For those who are storing heavier electric bikes, lawnmowers or snowblowers, the ramp model is recommended. This unit is maintenance-free, fire-resistant, and includes a lifetime warranty. This unit does measure 6.5 feet long by approximately 3 feet deep, and from the back it does measure, at its tallest point, it does measure 5 feet. Once again, this will store 3 full-size adult bikes. Choose your Trimetals manufacturer storage solution today. Visit us in store at 6009 Fly Mississauga or order yours online today.